themselves, and that's what counts. Kids feeling great about themselves.
After just 3 years with a circus stable of more than 100 kids, the Hiccup Circus has achieved something no one else in Hawaii ever has. And the best part is, any Big Island kid can run away to the circus and still be home for dinner. After just 3 years with a circus stable of more than 100 kids, the Hiccup Circus has achieved something no one else in Hawaii ever has. And the best part is, any Big Island kid can run away to the circus and still be home for dinner. After just 3 years with a circus stable of more than 100 kids, the Hiccup Circus has achieved something no one else in Hawaii ever has. And the best part is, any Big Island kid can run away to the circus and still be home for dinner.
I'm Cynthia, and I'm with the cast of Naturally High, and you are?
I'm Grant Yamamoto, principal.
Oh, I know you. And what did you think of our show today?
I thought it was great. Not only was it very entertaining, the kids have a lot of skills, but it also gave a real good message, good positive message to our students.
Do you think that the message was communicated to the kids?
Yes, I think so. A lot of times it's very difficult to reach this age of children.
Yeah.
And sometimes we have to do it through these means, through the performing arts or through visual arts or other means that they're more interested in. But I'm quite sure the message got across quite a few of them.
Yeah, I was interviewing a few in the stands, and they seem to think it's not as cool to smoke as they did a few minutes ago. If you could say one thing about the total impact of the show, one comment that you would share with someone about the total impact.
Well, it's just exciting. It's very exciting, especially to see kids this age doing those kinds of performances that you can expect much older, experienced people doing.
And these kids grew up right around here. These are our kids.
That's what makes it even more special.
Yeah. Thank you, Mr. Yamamoto.
Naturally high is the way to be. Don't smoke, don't drink, just set yourself free.
Well, 2 years later, the Hiccup Circus is still going strong. We caught up with Graham and a handful of his star pupils at the Hilo YWCA. Today's performance is Naturally High.
Instead of drugs, get high on life. It'll last a lot longer if you do it right.
Besides entertaining and giving the kids a lot of fun in the audience, we're also giving them a message with this particular show. It's called Naturally High. It's about having fun, having a good time safely, and not getting involved in things like cigarette smoking.
I wish we had a camera. This would be a great picture.
I got one, guys.
With their newest act, Committed to Memory, Graham and his kids are taking it on the road. Naturally High is a skit that not only involves all the new circus talents they've been working on, but also incorporates acting, singing, and a good message for others.
All right, yeah. What do you guys want to do next?
We're really excited about Naturally High because we're touring the schools with it, reaching a lot of kids, and it's kids performing for kids, and that really works.
The cast, self-named the Six Pack, spends the next 35 minutes entertaining the room with their unique brand of circus fun.
Being in the Hiccup Circus has given me a lot of motivation to face crowds, do what I want to do, and have fun.
I joined the Hiccup Circus because I get to travel around and meet new people and do shows, and it's fun.
I'm not trying to turn these kids into future circus performers. I'm trying to give them an opportunity to stand up in front of their peers and the public and to demonstrate what they can do. And in that way, they're demonstrating what all kids are able to achieve. I'm really proud of how far these kids have come since we started working on the Hiccup Circus project. They're not only able now to stand in front of large audiences and perform with a lot of confidence, but they're also feeling great about themselves. And that's what counts. Kids feeling great about themselves.
After just 3 years with a circus stable of more than 100 kids, the Hiccup Circus has achieved something no one else in Hawaii ever has. And the best part is, any Big Island kid can run away to the circus and still be home for dinner.